Many entrepreneurs make the same mistake when they start building their online presence. The first thing they focus on is creating a logo. They spend days choosing colors, comparing fonts, and perfecting every detail. While doing that, they feel like they're building a brand. But they're barely getting started. Most people won't discover you through your logo. They'll discover you through a YouTube video, a Facebook post, an Instagram reel, or a YouTube short. Within seconds, they'll decide whether you're worth watching. Ask someone what their favorite creator's logo looks like. Most couldn't tell you, but they'll remember how that creator explains things, their personality, the topics they cover. Most importantly, how their content makes them feel. That's what a brand really is, not a logo, not a color palette. A brand is the experience people remember after watching your content. Many creators don't struggle because their branding looks bad. They struggle because they spend more time making things look perfect than making their content recognizable. Two channels can use the same colors, the same fonts, even similar logos, yet you'll remember one and forget the other. Why? Because people don't remember graphics. They remember patterns. They remember learning something useful, a familiar style, a familiar voice, a familiar way of thinking. That's why successful creators rarely change their style. Not because they've run out of ideas, but because consistency is more valuable than constant reinvention. Many creators worry about becoming boring, so every video looks different. Different colors, different thumbnails, different editing, different mood. Viewers never get the chance to recognize them. Every video feels like meeting a stranger again. The strongest brands do the opposite. They deliver the same experience through new stories. That's where AI becomes powerful. Most people think AI is only about creating more content faster, but its greatest strength is consistency. It helps you keep the same visual style, the same tone, and the same message again and again. That's exactly what Simplified helps you do. Not by creating a logo, but by helping you stay consistent. With the same visual identity, the same brand voice, the same message. That's what people remember, not the exact shade of orange in your logo, but the feeling they get when they see one of your videos. The moment they think, I'm going to learn something useful. That's a real brand, a recognizable experience. When you deliver that experience consistently, you don't just build an audience, you build trust. And trust is what becomes a real brand and a real business. If you'd like to create content faster, more consistently, and with less stress, download the free PDF using the link below. I'll show you step by step how to build a content system that saves time while making your brand stronger with every piece of content.